going to write you a letter. When I turn the page, I'd have the courage, yeah. And it's tough to let go even after all of this time. You are the reason why I'm fucked up, was drugged up. I lucked out 'cause I believed in all those lies. That you loved me, you never loved me. I don't know how to accept that what you did still colors me black. And it's got me like, I feel so, I made this void now, you don't look back. And it's got me like, I feel so, let's let you there. Let's let you there. What you did still colors me black. And it's got me like, feel so, made this void now, you don't look back. It's fun. And I still see you smiling when you said to me, don't be a crybaby. And I've been told that you moved now, even though I still feel the echoes. I'm fucked up and I can't love myself now. I live like I own these lies, that I'm not enough, though you're not enough. Just want to shout it out, that what you did still colors me black. And it's got me like, I feel so, I made this void now, you don't look back. And it's got me like, I feel so, let's want you there.
There's a beauty in the way you're worn, and the sharpness of your thorns, so vibrant in the imperfections. In the pain there's something real, all that anger so concealed. Still you're lost in how to feel. Just let me hold that severed heart. The pieces feel so cold. All the tears won't bring it back to life. But hate will always grow. There's a beauty in the way you lay, and the way your color fades. You stand out now with your imperfections. Oh, it was never meant to fall apart. It was not supposed to cause us harm. But these days all I do is wonder, is about another we could start again. 'Cause in the pain there's something real, all that anger so concealed. Still you're lost in how to feel. Just let me hold that severed heart. The pieces feel so cold. All the tears won't bring it back to life. But hate will always grow.
One mistake is all that it takes to break up the trust that we made. I'm open to changing my ways this time, this time.